Hey guys, okay, well, yesterday, my soap versus soap video in the microwave didn't work, so today I got some Ivory and then Irish Springs. So, all I've been doing so far is sitting there waiting so I can do this video over. So, now I'm doing it for y'all. And hope y'all like it. Sorry, I had to put it on my case, or back on, my case back on. Okay, see right there? Okay, now Ivory is first. I'm just doing that because I want to. So I am gonna wait just a second real quick. This is the Irish Springs. This is the Ivory. Which one do you think is gonna work better? In the comments. Do it right now. Okay, you should already have done that. Only takes a couple seconds. You could have paused the video if you want. You can pause the video right now before I do it. 8. Okay. Put it in. Then I'm going to put it for a whole minute. And we're going to watch. You can just see it on the video right now. Alright, here it goes. It's like art. Only took it that long to get that big. I am going to circle the plate around, stuff that in. That's hot. Be careful when you're doing this. You can see it when the video comes out. Oh, we're not bringing it out. Okay, well, now I'm gonna finish the timer. You can see it when the video comes on. Okay. Ooh, look at that big sprout. It's big. 14, 13, 12, 11. Oh, we had to stop it real quick. Hate when that happens. Look at that. Ooh, hot. Okay, now 10 seconds left. Let's put that in real quick. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at it real quick. Oh my goodness. And look when I just rip it off. It looks all bubbly and all. Wow. Spectacular. I think it's safe to say the soap is gone into this giant mush. Okay, grabbing another paper towel.
What happened? Is that the soap?
Okay, and then put this one in. The Irish Springs.
Dang, that's bad.
Irish Springs.
Is that supposed to happen?
For a whole minute. Yes. Now stop talking. Now we wait. This one takes a little longer than the Irish, or than the other one we used. So let's keep watching. still not doing it. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's right on the bottom. You see that? It's magnificent. This one starts from the bottom. I think it's because of the curve and it pushes it all down instead of going up. So this one's a little better than the ivory. Oh, whoa, that I did not expect to look at. Well, a whole minute's up. So I'm gonna sit y'all down right there. And yes, guys, I will be getting a new camera and maybe soon a P.O. box. So, then you can send me stuff. Yippee. So here it is. So I'm going to put you back right there real quick. Put it back in for a whole minute. And start it. So now I'm going to walk over here. Haley, you want me to show them your project?
Sure. Go right ahead. I'm not done, but okay.
She's not done with this, but this is what it looks like so far. She says it's supposed to be a girl.
Yep. And we're going to add some
What's his name? The robot name.
It is Incredible. Or like
Incredibot?
Yes, Incredibot. And we're gonna add some skates right here.
So there it is.
And some skates right here, knee pads.
And what grade are you in?
Second. And
This
that's
is second grader. No, you can't tell them where. Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
let me see.
So 14. Oh my gosh, you could just watch it on YouTube. Yes.
No.
Uh-oh. Hurry, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ha! Oh my gosh. Ew. Now I'm gonna sit y'all back down where I usually do.
Whoa.
Alright, now you have to clean the microwave out.
Okay, how do I do that?
Damp washcloth, scrub it all out.
Okay.
Rinse the damp cloth, the damp